नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं मनमोहन सिंह पहुजा। क्या अद्भुत चित्र था वो, क्या मूवमेंट थी। अन्ना हजारे बापू की तरह जंतर मंतर पर धरने पे बैठे थे। द एंटायर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया ऑफ द कंट्री airing it live to the entire nation, while hundreds and later thousands of young men and women marching to Jantar Mantar and later to Ramlila मैदान दिल्ली। क्या नजारा था वो। इंडिया अगेंस्ट करप्शन मूवमेंट या कहिए अन्ना हजारे मूवमेंट एक्चुअली क्या थी वो। इट वॉज अ मूवमेंट meant to root out corruption from India. The movement which held the then UPA government at ransom, demanding an immediate Lokpal to check corruption. A shell-shocked government agreeing to most of its demand. In fact, the then Communication and Information Technology Minister A. Raja not just resigned but was eventually sent to prison for allegedly gobbling up thousands of crores of public money. A movement which the then opposition used to corner and finally dethrone the UPA government on 2G spectrum scam. How can one forget that screaming headline with so many zeros? But what has been the ultimate outcome of this song and dance show to eradicate corruption from public life? In 2017, 5 years after the historic protest, a CBI special court judge declared, I have absolutely no hesitation in holding that prosecution has miserably failed to protect any charge against any accused. Just listen to what former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh said after the court verdict.
I think the court's judgment has to be respected, and I'm glad that the court has pronounced unambiguously that all this massive propaganda which was being done against the UPA was without any foundation.
Well, the so-called Anna movement was itself a political scam. Arguably, there has been none bigger than this in this century in India. आज मैं क्यों बात कर रहा हूं? क्योंकि प्रशांत भूषण, one of the founders of the movement, recently has publicly admitted that the movement was an RSS-sponsored movement. Just listen to what he has said.
Most famously during the Aam Aadmi Party movement, you all were both founders of India Against Corruption. On hindsight, any regrets? I mean, many believe it is that movement which in a way led to the fall of the Manmohan Singh government and brought in the Modi government, which today you are sort of so critical of. So do you have any regrets of India Against Corruption? You left Arvind Kejriwal, he formed his own political party.
Not as such the regret of running that India Against Corruption campaign, but in hindsight there are two things which I do regret. One is not having seen that the movement was to a very large extent supported and propped up by the BJP RSS for their own political purposes to bring down the Congress government and get themselves in power.
You're saying that today on record. You believe that the movement was propped up by the BJP RSS?
Yes, I have no doubt about it today.
Truth has its way of coming out. सच्चाई कितनी भी छुपाओ बाहर आ ही जाती है. Simply put, the Anna song and dance show against the supposed 2G scam was meant only to discredit the UPA government so that righteous forces could replace the Liberal Congress in power while propping up Mr. Narendra Modi. Today, after 6 years of Narendra Modi government, ask yourself this very question. अपनी अंतरात्मा से एक सवाल जरूर पूछना, क्या 2014 से पहले का भारत बेहतर था आज के भारत से? जय हिंद।